A dedicated museum showcases a fascinating collection of artifacts unearthed from the ruins, alongside photographic records of intricate crafts and the once vibrant painted walls. Join us as we delve deeper into the legacy of ancient Panjakent, a testament to the enduring spirit of trade and the rich tapestry of civilizations that once graced the Silk Road.